Good afternoon, everyone. You're watching The Little Things. Today I will be preparing my Sunday dinner for my family, and it's my Sunday to cook. Every other Sunday, my sister and I split the chores of cooking dinner for our family, our immediate family. So today I will be preparing a chuck roast in a pressure cooker. I will also be frying some pork chops. This is my chuck roast. I also have kale. And in the pressure cooker, I will be incorporating onions, bell peppers, and carrots. And I will be roasting in the oven some potatoes. I also will be making some sweet potatoes and a cucumber medley of tomatoes, avocados, with zesty Italian mix with a few bacon bits. So let's get started. So here you see me rinsing off, or as the old folks say, ranching off my chuck roast, and I'm placing it into my pressure cooker. I'm chopping up my veggies, my bell peppers, red, yellow, green, and orange, slicing my onions, and I'm going to place them into the pressure cooker with the chuck roast. I'm also adding in all of my seasonings, plus a carton of chicken broth. As you can hear in the background, my family conversating about God knows what. And also my dog wants to get in on that conversation too. Take a listen. I've incorporated all of my seasonings. Now it's time to close the pressure cooker. Turn it on for it to cook 45 minutes. On to the potatoes. For some reason, I love to make my potatoes look pretty. Do you make your potatoes look pretty? I'm putting them in the pan, and I'm drizzling over some olive oil, and I'm adding salt and pepper, and I'll place them in the oven for about 35 minutes. Now I need to finish peeling the cucumbers, the sweet potatoes, and also slicing them thin. As you can see, I've incorporated all of the ingredients for my kale and my sweet potatoes. If you would like to fix this, just take a moment to pause it, take all the ingredients down, and proceed by making the kale and sweet potato. Now to finish off my cucumber medley of tomatoes and avocados with the Italian dressing and bacon bits. I'm placing them in the bowl right now. How many of you guys like a salad like this? Move over chuck roast. Here come them pork chops. They so pretty. I've placed the chuck roast in a bigger pan for easy access. It looks pretty good. So what do you think? I want to give you an overview of everything that I fixed. Now it's time to say the grace and start fixing those plates. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Easter.